In this example, we're given a function f of x, and we're asked to find f of x plus h minus f of x, all divided by h. So let's take a look at the function. We have f of x equals x squared minus x minus 4. And we'll do some substituting in here. So we're asked to find f of x plus h minus f of x, all divided by h. Well, if we want to find f of x plus h, we substitute x plus h everywhere we see an x in our original function. So we're going to have x plus h quantity squared minus, instead of x, we'll have x plus h minus 4. And now we're subtracting f of x. So be careful here. When I subtract f of x, I need to write a parenthesis after my subtraction sign, so I subtract the whole thing, f of x. F of x equals x squared minus x minus 4. And this is all divided by h. Now we need to do some simplifying. So if we have x plus h quantity squared, remember that really represents x squared plus 2xh, if I were to multiply this out using the FOIL method, plus h squared. We have this minus sign we need to distribute through, and we get minus x minus h. Next we have minus 4. And then finally we distribute this negative through the last parentheses, and we get minus x squared plus x plus 4. And this is all divided by h. Let's see if we can do any simplifying. Notice in the numerator we have x squared minus x squared, and that cancels out. We also have a negative x plus x, and that adds to 0 as well. And then we have a negative 4 plus 4, which is 0. So that cleans it up a little bit, and in the numerator we have left 2xh plus h squared minus h, all divided by h. But we can simplify this a little bit more, because notice we have a common factor of h in the numerator. So let's factor that out. So h times the quantity, 2x plus h minus 1, and that's all divided by h. So we can now divide out that common factor of h, and we're left with our final answer, which is just 2x plus h minus 1.